মৰমৰ দশম শ্ৰেণীৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি তোমালোকলৈ পুনৰ এটি নতুন ভিডিঅ' লৈ আহিছোঁ তোমালোকৰ ইংৰাজী পাঠ্যপুথিৰ এনিমেলছ লেসনটিৰ MCQ লগতে কিছুমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কোৱেশ্চন লৈ আহিছোঁ বলাচোন আজি কোৱেশ্চনখিনি আলোচনা কৰোঁ 1 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন চোৱা Who is the poet of the poem Animals Option A Leslie Norris Option B Robert Frost Option C দিয়া আছে Caroline Wells Option D দিয়া আছে Walt Whitman ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ অপচনটো কোনটো হ'ব বাৰু আমি জানো যে এনিমেলছ কবিতাটিৰ লেখক কোন Walt Whitman 2 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন চোৱা কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 2 চোৱা What do humans do that animals don't Option A দিয়া আছে greed Option B দিয়া আছে jealous Option C দিয়া আছে restless Option D all of the above ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ অপচন হ'ব Option D all of the above next question চোৱা question number 3 What does the poet wish to live with Option A dragon Option B দিয়া আছে animals Option C দিয়া আছে human beings Option D দিয়া আছে none of the above correct answer is the option B animals next question চোৱা question number 4 Who according to poet is better Option A দিয়া আছে চোৱা human beings Option B চোৱা animals Option C both A and B মানে A আৰু B দুইটা নেকি Option D none of the above correct answer is the option B animals next question চোৱা question number 5 to চোৱা What do humans do that animals don't Option A দিয়া আছে greed Option B দিয়া আছে jealous Option C দিয়া আছে restless Option D দিয়া আছে all of the above correct answer is the option D all of the above next question চোৱা question number 6 চোৱা Who is not dissatisfied always Option A to দিছে animals Option B দিছে human Option C দিছে poet Option D দিছে all of the above ইয়াৰ correct answer টো হ'ব শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব animals question number 1 চোৱা name the book from where this poem has been taken answer the name of the book from where this poem has been taken is Song of Myself in Leaves of Grass 2 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো চোৱা Who wrote the poem Animals answer Walt Whitman wrote the poem Animals next important question to হৈছে What was the wish of the poet উত্তৰ চোৱা The wish of the poet was to live with animals next question চোৱা What are the qualities possessed by the animals answer The qualities possessed by the animals are placidity self-dependence simplicity etc 5 number question চোৱা What do the animals bring to the poet answer চোৱা The animals bring token of mutual love and understanding to the poet next important question to চোৱা question number 6 Why does the poet wander চোৱা The poet wanders where the animals get those tokens that they bring to him next question chua question number 7 with whom does the poet feel more at home answer the poet feels more at home with animals Question number 8 চোৱা What do animals not discuss? Answer The animals do not discuss their duty to God. 9 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন চোৱা 9 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন চোৱা What do the animals not do for their sins? Answer The animals do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. Question number 10 For what do the animals not demented? Answer The animals are not demented with the mania of owning things. Question number 11 I think I could turn and live with animals. What is the poet turning from? Answer The poet is turning from humans to live with animals. 12 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো চোৱা How do animals accept their condition? Answer The animals never sweat and whine about their condition. They are not dissatisfied with their condition of life.